The use of graphics cards has become more and more popular in recent years, thanks to their increasing use in gaming and cryptocurrency mining. But what happens to these graphics cards when they are no longer needed? Like most electronic devices, graphics cards contain a range of valuable and toxic materials that need to be disposed of carefully to prevent harm to the environment and human health. This has led to an increase in the recycling of graphics cards, with many companies now offering recycling programs to help consumers dispose of their old hardware responsibly. One of the most common methods of recycling graphics cards is through electronic waste recycling programs. These programs involve collecting old electronic devices, including graphics cards, and breaking them down into their individual components for recycling. The recycling process typically involves several steps, including dismantling the graphics card, separating its components, and shredding and grinding the materials to extract valuable metals such as gold, silver, and copper. These metals can then be used to create new electronic devices, reducing the need for new materials and lowering the environmental impact of electronics production. In addition to electronic waste recycling programs, there are also several other options for recycling graphics cards. Some manufacturers offer take-back programs where consumers can send their old hardware back to the manufacturer for recycling. There are also online recycling services that allow consumers to send their old graphics cards for recycling, often for a small fee. While the recycling of graphics cards is a positive step towards reducing electronic waste, it is important to note that recycling alone is not enough to address the environmental impact of electronics production. To truly reduce the impact of electronics on the environment, it is important to reduce consumption, reuse devices where possible, and choose more sustainable electronics when purchasing new devices.